brys matter. Our brother Chi Ivo, he don't make some interview. Inside the interview, he talk how Marc brys come for Cameroon. How he dribble minister no say na ye dey behind that offering of Marc brys. Now some minister now don't sign the deal. Marc brys they don't recruit them because what he talk. He say na because say minister he dey against Eto'o. So any man wey na friend for Eto'o, minister no like the person. Minister they hate the person. So you know why work with the person. If you dey corner Eto'o, they talk anything we find with Eto'o, he just hate you totally. But he use na his cousin for pass for make him dey recruit Marc brys. He say talk say if you don't propose Marc brys for Eto'o tell you say Marc brys no get level for coach Cameroon. Marc brys no get level. He level is small for go coach Cameroon. Now in the he say they talk the very thing now. What you happen for Chi Ivo they talk all the way talk and also now the question that way we fit ask am now countrywoman as the thing they so now for here we go put end for do a small pidgin program. We will come blow and for una for this day. We will take the appointment for small time again.